Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to set up official FPS on Roblox. It is a very easy and simple method. So let's get started. I hope you install the Blockster app. If you not install the Blockster app, so watch my previous video. Go to program and click the Blockster app. Click the fast flag editor, add new. You can copy this name in this video. True. And then click OK and install. After the installations, you see you got the new official FPS on Roblox. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.